everyone. So, if you're a student, you must have a LinkedIn profile, and even if you're working, you must have a LinkedIn profile. I'm assuming you guys have a LinkedIn profile. So, in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna enhance our profile section by editing major keywords over there. So, yeah, it's here my profile, which I had created recently, I guess a week ago. So, I'll be editing here in front of you. So, we'll go to my edit section and yeah, I have edited my first name as Shambhavi, last Singh, and pronouns as she and her. And you can add your privacy over there, your connections only, or all LinkedIn members. So I have done all LinkedIn members. So today I wanna edit my headlines. So firstly, I'm a Gagi student. So I'm gonna write Gagi 24, Gagi 24 DU. Then I'm a commerce major. Then I'm a part of Annectus Society, senior member, so I'm gonna add this also. Annectus senior member. Okay, share a space over here. Senior member. I was also part of Avni. So Avni, the Eco Club, and then I am a YouTube creator, so I'm gonna add this also. YouTube creator. And as last, I'm gonna add transforming ideas into actions. Kind of slang. Transforming ideas into action. So for now, I'll be keeping this and add more sections later on. So let's see how it's gonna appear. Okay, to Gagi 24, DU, Commerce Major, and a senior member of the Eco Club, YouTube creator, transforming ideas into actions. So now, once we are done with the heading section, we'll be moving to the next section, that is education. And add my education sector from here and edit for sure. So now let's see for, so yeah, Delhi University, degree BCom, start day 2021 to end day 2024. Activities and societies, I'll be adding it later on. I'm just adding the major things over now. So start date month was November and end would be May. Grade till now I have 7.9. Gonna save this. Okay, so let's take it. BCom Accounting and Business Management, November. Now I'm gonna edit this section also. Degree. This was my 10th profile. Let me edit it to 12th. Business, Commerce, General. Okay, April, March to June 2018. I did my 12th in 2020. Starting date here, and then end was June 2021. And I'll edit my grades. My 12th percentage was 95.4 percentage. So 95.4 percentage. Okay, let's save this information also. Okay, so this was Delhi University 10th. Now I have to add one more section of my 10th class. So again, we're gonna add these sections and Andrews group of institutions. Degree would be 10th in Journal Studies. Starting month would be March 2018, and grade was 92.2%. End month was March 2019. So yeah, we're gonna save this. So yeah, we are updated with all these sections. Now I'm gonna rearrange this. Currently I'm doing my graduation, then 12th and 10th result. Okay, we are done with our education section also, and I'll go my profile once again. And from here you can add your current education. So I'll be adding my Delhi University to be appear on the top, and save. So this was how to add your education. So we are done with one more section. Okay, so education and headlines were for the today's video, and the next sections we would be learning to insert in the next video. So stay tuned. Bye bye.